Kamal Hassan is likely to become the Rajya Sabha MP from Tamil Nadu in July 2025. Sources from the DMK have confirmed that Kamal Hassan will be named the Rajya Sabha MP on behalf of the DMK, and that is going to start from July this year. This after DMK Minister Shekhar Babu had met Kamal Hassan at the Makkal Nidhi Mayam party office in Tenampet. Sources say that this was on expected lines because last year, in the run-up to the 2024 Lok Sabha polls, Kamal Hassan's Makkal Nidhi Mayam had joined the DMK on board for the elections. Initially, the Makkal Nidhi Mayam wanted to contest from 3 constituencies, but because there were smaller allies that also had similar requests in similar constituencies that they wanted to contest from, Makkal Nidhi Mayam was offered a Rajya Sabha seat for 2025. The agreement was signed in 2024 in the run-up to the Lok Sabha polls. Kamal Hassan aggressively campaigned for the DMK as well as its allies. He was one of the star campaigners of the DMK, and in 2024 DMK and its alliance partners swept elections in Tamil Nadu, and now in the run-up to the 2026 elections, the DMK is trying to ensure that all its alliance partners stay intact. Remember, in 2026, Vijay, who's an actor turned politician who started Tamaraga Vetri Karagam, he is also focusing on the 2026 state assembly polls and trying to woo smaller parties as well. So in the run-up to the 2026 assembly polls, the DMK wants to ensure that all its alliance partners are intact. And as per the agreement signed in 2024, the DMK is all set to make Kamal Hassan the Rajya Sabha MP in July this year, and that is something that the sources have confirmed. And apart from this, they also discussed 2026 elections, how to fight the 2026 elections, how to ensure a repeat of the 2024 where the DMK and its alliance partners swept elections. They also want to ensure that DMK comes back to power for the second consecutive term. So that was also discussed, is what sources confirm. However, Kamal Hassan, an official statement on Kamal Hassan being named the Rajya Sabha MP, that will take time, but that is happening, and that is happening in July this year is what sources have confirmed. Meanwhile, 2026 is when the state will go to polls, and it's going to be an interesting battle with parties like the AIADMK, the BJP, as well as Vijay's Tamaraga Vetri Karagam have already started preparations for 2026. Everyone wants to ensure that DMK doesn't win again, but DMK on the other hand trying to make its alliance partners happy and try to make its alliance arithmetic work for the 2026 state assembly polls as well.